Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dissect the latest gadgets to help you make informed buying decisions.
Today, we've got something special on our table. The Asus ROG Strix Scar 18, the behemoth of gaming laptops.
Let's dive right into it.
First impressions matter, and the Scar 18 doesn't disappoint.
With its massive 18-inch form factor and aggressive design, it's a statement piece in any gaming setup. The RGB lighting, while customizable, adds to its gaming aesthetic without being overbearing.
Now, let's talk about what's under the hood.
Powered by Intel's 14th generation Core HX class processors and an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4090 GPU, this laptop is a powerhouse. Whether you're diving into Cyberpunk 2077 or editing videos, it handles everything with ease. I tested this machine with some of the most demanding titles out there, and the results were impressive. With the stunning mini LED display boasting a resolution of 2560 x 1600, gaming feels immersive and lifelike. The 240Hz refresh rate and G-Sync support ensure buttery smooth gameplay without any screen tearing.
Now, let's talk about ergonomics.
The keyboard layout is decent, although I wish Asus had separated the arrow keys for better functionality. However, the touchpad is excellent, with precise tracking and tactile feedback. Audio is where the Scar 18 falls short.
While the twin speakers deliver decent sound quality with punchy bass,
they lack volume, especially for immersive gaming sessions. Asus could have improved on this aspect. In terms of connectivity, the Scar 18 offers a decent selection of ports, including Thunderbolt 4, USB 3.2 General 2 Type-C, HDMI 2.1, and more. However, it's missing some high-end additions like a fingerprint reader, which is disappointing considering its premium price tag. Despite its hefty size, the Scar 18 surprises with its battery life, lasting over 4 hours in our tests. And thanks to Asus's advanced cooling system, heat management is excellent, with temperatures remaining comfortably low even under heavy load. In conclusion, the Asus ROG Strix Scar 18 is a mixed bag. While it excels in performance and display quality, it falls short in certain areas like audio and additional features. If you prioritize raw power and stunning visuals, this laptop won't disappoint. However, at its premium price point, you might want to explore other options before making your final decision. That wraps up our review of the Asus ROG Strix Scar 18. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more unbiased reviews. Until next time, this is Product Critique signing off.
Happy gaming!